See? Much better. So I'm gonna start getting prepped on the car, cover up the windshield. That's gonna be my platform for unbolting stuff and setting my boxes.
Dancing is as easy as 1, 2, 3 in ABC.
Stuff that's the hardest are these brackets on these things. You know, you have to basically undo these studs that hold the cat in place. Luckily, it's got some aftermarket exhaust, so someone's recently been in there. So the next step, I'm going to take the transmission out of it, and then that will free up the engine from down here. Then I'm going to have to unplug everything, undo the motor mounts, and leave as much on the engine as I can, and I'm just going to lift this thing straight up. Top, I'm starting to get some of these hoses out. Now that I've drained the coolant, I can start taking the coolant lines out. So that's the next step right now, is to just clean off as much as I can. Fuel lines disconnected. So we've got a little bit more to go.
1, 2, 3 in ABC. One, two, three, and ABC. ABC.
Chains up just to support the engine so it's not on full droop and it's not resting on all the stuff in the back here. So that'll help me out. Let's see, we can let this thing just hang down here. This is the clutch. Yeah, that pretty much wraps it up for today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. You know, make a comment on if you've ever been through these situations before. I've got the transmission sitting over here on the jack. Got all the parts sitting on the floor. So, yep. See you guys next time.